broadcast. Virat Kohli at the end of the game said it was quite a good game. Would you say his statement is a little bit understated to say it was quite a good game?
Of course it was. And I think Virat is just being understated, as you said. He'll be very happy with the way the team played, especially after a big defeat in the last game. And last match, India was flat, but today it was different. India which turned up full of energy, full of intent. And don't forget that they're still experimenting for the T20 World Cup. Rohit Sharma is sitting out, Shikhar Dhawan is sitting out, 2 debutants in the game, Hardik Pandya bowling 4 overs. So they're still trying to put the pieces together. But I think a very, very satisfying win after the big defeat in the last game.
Deepti, we are calling this the audition for ICC World T20. So we'll expect a lot of players to be lighting up the stage during this T20 series. But Ishan Kishan, coming in today and scoring that half century, would you say it would have given the Indian cricket team little more worry about that opening slot?
I think this sort of a headache is a good headache. It is always good to find good competition. I think now both of those opening spots are in danger. Like, it can be taken by anyone. The competition is so good, and I think Ishan can also bat down if necessary, or someone else can bat up. So that is something that I think. So yeah, but watching Ishan play the way that he did in his first match, I don't think many people have that confidence to do and play like that in their first game. And I'm happy for him, and his performance was absolutely flawless. Virat, on the other hand, he wanted to score, but then he was watching him and he was happy with how everything was turning out.
Right, but the chase master Virat Kohli once again showed why he is hailed as one of the best batsmen in the world. I'm also joined at this hour by Prakash Wakankar, cricket commentator. Prakash, Washington Sundar, in fact, saying, crediting his teammates about that performance that they put up in the middle. He spoke about Ishan Kishan. He spoke about Rishabh Pant. Tell us, what did you think when Ishan Kishan was batting? Did you think that, it wasn't an international T20, but IPL going on?
Well, I think, that's this whole power of Youngistan, isn't it, Rika? How many times have we seen it in the recent past? It just shows the depth of Indian cricket. It shows the kind of talent that is coming through the pipeline. And it means that for every position, practically, there is one or two other folks who are ready to push the door and make their presence felt. And that can only be good for a side. And I think today's performance just once again showing that there is an ability and that augurs well for Indian cricket's future, both in this format and other formats.
Ahan, let me ask you, as a fan, what really stood out for you in that knock of Ishan Kishan?
I think it was just the fearlessness that he came out with. It seemed, as you said, that he was just playing another game for Mumbai Indians in the IPL. He wasn't overawed by the occasion or like, oh my God, I'm playing against the best T20 side in the world. It was just he came out, he did what he's always done, what he's done for Mumbai Indians. If he saw the ball in his zone, he hit it out of the park. Otherwise, he respected the good balls. It was just a very well-constructed innings. And I think if he keeps batting like that, he's going to make it hard for the team management to drop him in the future.
Amrit, would you say it was a clever strategy by the team management to push him to open and also, pushing up Rishabh Pant today?
Well, Rishabh Pant is always the explosive batsman who can be used anywhere in the order. But I think it was great to see Ishan Kishan, coming at the top of the innings and succeeding. He's not an opener. This is his first game. He was completely fearless. And what a superb talent he is. And it also shows that with the kind of depth and the bench strength that we have options for every position. Also, it shows that the gap between our domestic cricket and international cricket is reducing. We've seen so many instances of players in test matches and now in the one days and the T20s where people are ready. You give them a chance, they grab it, they adjust to the high level of cricket, and Ishan is one more example of that. Maybe we'll see the same with Surya Kumar. Maybe we'll see it with somebody else. So I think that's a great sign for Indian cricket. We have options, we've got bench strength, and we have people who are ready. So it's not, it's not that you have to wait for somebody with 5 games for him to come good. First game performed, and what an outstanding innings today. So I think fantastic in terms of the way ahead for India, preparing for the World Cup. And you've got all your bases covered. And on the day, when the team plays to potential, it looks very, very strong.